Hello there, good day to you. You are welcome back again to another awesome tutorial. Today in this video, I want to teach you a 100% working strategy on how to revive back any picture. For example, you have a picture of, let's say, whatever that you intend to revive back. You understand? So, and you will want to convert this particular picture into a memorable video, so that even when in the nearest future you can be able to look back and smile at it. You understand? It's very simple. As you can see, this one here, it says old photo reviver. As you can see, so in order to do this particular tool, in order to revive whatever picture you have on your phone, either it's black and white or it is a very high long historical picture that you have on your phone, it's very simple. Now let us go to Play Store. There is an application that you're going to download that is going to aid you to be able to revive whatever picture that you have on your phone. So let's go to Play Store. Let me show it to you step by step. Okay, now that we are on Play Store, there are two applications that you are going to be needing. The very first one the particular app you're going to be needing is called Pixverse. As you can see, Pixverse. As you can see, Pixverse. Now this is the application. This is the logo for the application. Click on where it says install to install it on your phone. I have already downloaded this particular. That's why it's asking me to open. Okay, now the next application you are going to be needing is TempMail. For those of you that do not know what TempMail is, TempMail gives us a temporary email to be using whenever you want to install or you want to make any sign up on the internet. We use this particular TempMail to give us some listing of emails that we can use for sign ups, so that we'll not be risking our original email accounts online. You understand? Particularly when we don't intend to have a paid subscription to that particular website or application. So we use TempMail so that whenever our points are over, all we're going to do is to sign out and re-sign up again using this particular TempMail. Okay, now this is the interface of TempMail. I'm going to do a complete step-by-step tutorial on this particular TempMail. All right, now just install the particular TempMail. I believe you have actually installed it on your phone. Now let us go back again to the application so that we can see. Now the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to look for that particular application, that Pixverse. This Pixverse that is on your phone. Now you're going to click on it and it's going to open this way. Now once it has finished opening, we are going to look for a way to okay, so this is the particular old photo reviver that I told you about. Now come to where you see, once you have opened the application this way, the Pixverse, now come on that way it says old photo reviver and just click on it once. All right, once you click on it once, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now you click on where it says use templates to click on it once. Once you've clicked on it, now it's going to be asking you all of these questions. Now what you're going to do is that, because we do not look at it, says it's going to give us 60 points upon your first login. Now come to where it says sign up and click sign up here. You understand? Once you click sign up, now it's going to ask you for your email address. Please do not input your original email address here. Just use TempMail to kind of give you a temporary email to use, so that in case you exhaust your point, you can be able to come back and, you understand, really log out, then log in again. Now I'm going to open my TempMail app so you can see. Now once you click on your TempMail this way, an email address is going to be given to you. You understand? An email address is going to be given to, I said it. Look, this is the email address that's actually given to me right now. I'm going to click on where it says copy email here. Once I click on where it says copy email, I'm now going back again to my Pixverse. As you can see, the email is going to automatically display here because I have this copy and paste. My Google Docs is here. I'm going to paste it this way. I'm going to choose the username for myself. Let me choose the username for myself. All right, okay. what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna fill all of this form and show them to you. All right. Okay, guys, I've chosen a password, I've chosen a username, and I've chosen a password. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on where it says continue. Okay, guys. Now that you have kind of input the OTP sent to your email, now you're gonna click on where it says continue. You understand? It's now asking you what should we call you. Now you need to add a nickname. As for me, I just want you to call me I want to call me online. I want to call me online hustle. Online hustle. Or let us say online. Yes, online. Just call me online hustle. Online hustle also. And click on where it says let's start. Yeah. Once you click on where it says let's start, you immediately be brought to this particular interface here. All right. Okay guys, you immediately be brought to this particular interface. Now the way we're gonna do is that now it says upload an image or video here. I'm gonna click on it. You understand? I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna give it allow all permission, so that I can be able to get one of my pictures. This is the picture I intend to use, this particular one. I'm just gonna click it once. Once I've clicked on a particular picture or image and video I intend to use, I'm only just gonna click on where it says generate here. All right, I'm only going to click on where it says generate here. All right, let's click on where it says generate to see. Okay, guys, now it has generated a video for us. In order to know, come to where this particular message here. I just click on the message. As you can see, it says your video is ready. Click on where it says your video is ready to see. Now once you click on where it says your video is ready, this is the video. Okay, this is the video. As you can see, this is the video, this is the picture that we actually converted into a video. You understand? I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace, obrigado. In order for you to export or save to your gallery, just come to where it says download here, then you download it. Okay, guys.